Today we are talking about something that every mama girl needs, and that is your support system, a strong support system for you and your family. Listen, whether it's just for a day-to-day life or whether it's making family vacation dreams come true, having the right people in your corner can make all the difference. Hey there, mama girl. Welcome back to Prep and Land's YouTube channel, where we talk about all things travel. If you do not know who I am, let me introduce myself. My name is Jamie, and I am your independent IntelliTravel travel agent. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. And for more packing tips, planning tricks, knickknacks, paddywhacks, give the dogs their bones, you can always visit my website, www.prepandland.com. That's www.prepandland.com. So, without further ado or delay, mama girl, go ahead and grab your water, grab your drink, grab your snacks, and come on back in here and let us start. Let us start this good conversation. First things first, mama girl, why is a support network something that we need, right? It's not just, a little cutesy thing. We're not being cute around here. No. This is essential. It provides emotional and practical help, and it also fosters personal growth. And not only that, it gives your family a sense of security. And you know how important security is nowadays. And that's exactly what support systems do in your everyday life. And when it is time for travel, your support system can help you make your trip smooth and enjoyable. And we love all of those things for us, mama girl. So let's go ahead and break it down. So if you don't have a support system, I guess the first thing you're asking is, well, Jamie, how do I create a support system for my family? I got you. The first thing I would recommend for you to do is go ahead and start with your inner circle. Listen, your family and your close friends are your go-to, are your initial support. Lean on them for advice and like babysitting or even just a listening ear. Use those relationships that you already have in your life as your support system, and then branch out from there. Listen, open communication with your partner and your co-parent or whoever your significant other is also important as well, especially when it comes to having that teamwork for you and your family. It really goes a long way. It does wonders to help make sure that your travel functions more smoothly. All the things, okay? Okay, the next thing I would recommend for you is to expand. Like I said earlier, expand to the community. Get to know your neighbors, the people right there next door to you. Listen, they can be lifesavers when you need a quick hand or just a friendly chat, a friendly conversation. And you can also join local groups like parent organizations or hobby clubs. This is a really great way to meet people with similar interests, mama girl. We love meeting people who like doing the things we like to do. I'm just saying. It can come in handy. Another thing that you can do is engage with schools and educational institutions. Listen, your kids' teachers and the school staff can offer invaluable resources to help you and your family. Stay involved. Build those connections. Get that support from the people who are with your children sometimes more than you are. Is it really more than you are? Let us think about this thing. Listen, they go to school, 6 hours a day? Every day? 6 to 8, or is it 8? Goodness gracious. Either way, they're there all day, Monday through Friday during the school year. And then they're home Saturday, Sunday, Friday night, Saturday, Sunday. Y'all usually getting ready for bed. So yeah, they with your children probably more than you are. In all honesty, just because the time that you're with your children, y'all are busting, making sure homework gets done, making sure y'all eat something, making sure all the extracurricular activities are done. and you don't forget nothing, and then it's time for bed, and everybody going to bed, y'all waking up the next day to do the same thing. So yes, your students' school, use them as a resource. The teachers, the faculty, the staff there, because they know your child just like you know your child, whether you want to admit it or not. Let's move on. The next thing you could do, Mama Girl, is seek professional resources. Listen, your children's pediatricians, counselors, therapists, they can all provide expert guidance when you need it. Whenever you need it, they can provide it. And if you don't want to use them, you can also use things like support groups and workshops to also help you. Listen, they can help you meet people who understand your challenges, who have been where you've been, and can help guide you and your family through it. We love that for us, because Mama Girl, as a single mother, I can attest that there are some things that I didn't realize that I was going to have to deal with. It did not register that I would be having to deal with it, and to have the support from my family and my friends and the different organizations that I'm in has really helped me be like, okay, yeah, you got this. You got this. And I'm not over here wishing I shoulda, coulda, woulda, all the glory days. I'm not doing that. I'm just enjoying the moment and learning through it and going through it and as smoothly as possible. Now, there are hiccups, but we are human. Allow grace. I'm telling myself that. Allow grace, but there are hiccups, but I'm able to get through them smoothly instead of getting stuck in the pothole, if that makes sense. I'm able to get up out of it and move on. And that's exactly what support groups and community relationships and all the professional help that you can have, all the school resources, all the things. That's what all these things can provide. Okay? I went off on a tangent. I'm sorry. But let's continue. So the next thing, Mama Girl, is utilize digital tools. Okay? Join online group forums like Facebook, Instagram, all the different groups for parents and families. These communities are full of advice and support. Okay? And apps like Meetup can also help you find local events tailored to your family's needs. So go on there, utilize it. Okay? It's there for you. Not just to be there, to be cute. No, it's there for you as a resource. Resources, Mama Girl. Resources. The next thing, Mama Girl, is to foster reciprocity. So, Mama Girl, if you do not know what reciprocity is, let's look at it from a social norm point of view. Definition: the expectation that if someone does something for you, you should return the favor. This is also known as the true rule of reciprocity. So now that we know the definition, Mama Girl, how do we take the definition of reciprocity and implement it into our social networking? It's easy, Mama Girl. Help. Help others build goodwill. Listen, do things like babysitting, carpooling, walking people's dogs, sharing your travel gear, whatever you can do to help others. This helps build that support which often comes back when you need it the most. Consider this my goodwill to you. The last thing I want to mention, which is also to me one of the most important things, is maintaining and nurturing your relationships. Listen, y'all put all this work in. Y'all put all this work in to get on these social media platforms. Y'all put all the work in to build relationships with your teachers, with your students, teachers, and faculty at the school, and all these relationships with professional people, all the relationships everywhere you've built them. It's time to maintain. You can't just build it and then walk away. No. Even a building, if you look at it, if it's been left alone, not maintained, it will look, dilapidated? Is that the word? It looks dilapidated. It looks like roaches live in it. It has to be maintained. So check in regularly with your network and show appreciation and support. Listen, even if it's just like a postcard, like, hey honey, I was thinking about you. Hope everything is okay. Listen, I'm doing well. Everybody's doing well. I love our relationship. I value our relationship. Let's go out. Let's go walk in a park somewhere. Just going out, saying thank you. Keeping that relationship will help maintain it and nurture it and develop it into full blossoming things. All the things that we want for you and your family, Mama Girl. So do it. Now listen, we covered it a little bit in all of the things. that I said previously, but I want to talk in a little bit more detail about how your social networks can help you with your travel. Now, I'm gonna talk to you in three different areas. So before, during, and after your trips. So before your trips, you can use your social networks to help you plan. To help you plan your trips. Go out and talk to the people. Somebody in your network, depending on how big your network is, somebody has been somewhere where you want to go. And if they haven't been somewhere where you know where you want to go, you know what you need to do. Build your social network. Boom shakalaka. Somebody has been somewhere where you want to go, and they can give you the tips, the tricks, the knickknacks, the paddywhacks, the give the dogs all the bones about the trip, where to go, where not to go, what to do, what not to do. Listen, borrow the gear from them. Borrow the gear from them. If you going hiking and you know you don't want to spend $400, $500 on gear that you're probably not going to use ever again, you're just going for the experience to see if that's even something that you like to do, borrow gear from your social network. Saves you money. Saves you money. They can teach you how to do it, like use the stuff. Boom. Hello. Utilize them. They will help you. And if you have pets, hello, social network. Can you watch my doggy so I don't have to take them to the shelter? Is it the shelter? The doggy hotel? I don't think it's the shelter. I don't have pets. I don't have pets. But it's not coming to me where you take doggies when you're traveling. But wherever you take them, you don't have to do that if you have a support network that will help you watch your doggies. That saves you money and gives the doggy like a person that they know, and not some strangers taking care of your dog. Hello. During the trip, you can actually use your social networks if they're in an area where you're going. Like if you want to go to, I don't know, pick a place, Jamie. There's so many of them. Where's somewhere that I haven't said recently? I don't know. You want to go to Utah, even though we talked about the Grand Canyon. But anyway, you want to go to Utah and you have some people up there. You have some social network up there. You can use them. You can use their local knowledge of the location, and they can give you all the hidden gems at your destination. And maybe even give you a place to stay if you're not trying to stay in a hotel. Hello. Just saying. Options. But if not, you can stay at the hotel. They can help you with that too. Or you can use your social networks and team up with their family, and y'all go do family adventures together. Make it a group. Make it a group so you are not alone. There's power in numbers, Momma Girl. And if you have more people coming with you experiencing the things that you're experiencing, can we say fun? I can. Fun. And if emergency arises, having someone back home that knows where you're going, knows all your itinerary, knows all the things, can help you get the help that you need in a more timely manner. Because if you're not checking in on them, I guarantee you they calling the police, be like, hey, my friend went over here, they doing this. Go check on them. And if they're not doing that, maybe you need to expound your social network. Just saying, just throwing it out there. Helping you. Let's move on. Lastly, after your trip, share your stories, share the advice, all the photos, all the things with your social network. It keeps the connection strong. The force is strong with this one when we share our life with our people that we love and care about. Listen, it also not only makes the force strong, it inspires them to do the same thing you doing. And when we have people touching and agreeing and doing all the things together, it makes the bond stronger. I'm just saying, it's all good things over here. It's all good things. So, Momma Girl, it is now time to start building that village. It makes your daily life easier, your family life stronger, and your travels absolutely unforgettable, Momma Girl. Now, Momma Girl, I want to know, what is the first step that you are going to do to grow your support network? Drop your thoughts in the comment section below and let us continue this conversation. I want to hear from you. Let me know what you think you're going to do to help build your social network. As always, Mama Girl, thank you so much for joining me today. And don't forget to like the video if you have not done so already, and subscribe to the channel so you stay in on all the things, Mama Girl, that is happening here at Prep and Land. You can also visit my website, like I said before, www.prepandland.com, for all the knickknacks, paddywhacks, give the dogs their bones, all the things. All the things. Uh-oh. All the things, Mama Girl. Listen, all your travel needs, you can find them, you can use them, all the tips, tricks, things on the website, okay? Until next time, Mama Girl, I want you to continue to choose to make life an experience, and experience the life that you choose. Do not just exist. Do not be a loner in this world either, Mama Girl. Go get social. Go be the butterfly that you need to be, not only for you, but for your family. Till next time, Mama Girl. Peace.